Service in Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Townball, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Townball, Pinehurst, Magnolia, and Stagecoach. For your protection, move to an interior room